$500 every single day from Clickbank as a complete beginner. Let's get it. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button right now, just because I drop daily videos on how to make money online. And if you get any value from this video, give it a thumbs up for me. That let me know you actually like this video. But other than that, let's jump into my computer right now and let's get it. Okay guys, we're back on my computer. So as you can see, we on clickbank.com right now. So some of you guys probably already got a product. Some of you guys probably don't have a product. But with what I'm going to show you right now, you can get any product. You can even get the product that I'm using in this example, just because I already kind of got it set up. And you can actually go out here and actually do the same thing. But for this example, it's 3 reasons why I actually like this method right here. Because it's free. You don't have to spend no money by doing this. It only takes about 2 to 5 minutes to actually copy and paste. And I'm going to have something on here where you guys can actually just take this and kind of change it up a little bit and make it your own. And then the third reason is because you don't have to spend no money, and it's like a passive income, just because once you put this on this website, it's pretty much gonna be there forever. And then the website generates multiple views every single month, year. You know, it's just gonna keep going on and on. So that's the main reason why I actually like this method. But as you can see, I already got a few things set up right now. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna actually go to the health and fitness, and we're gonna get the flat belly fix product right here. So you guys can get whatever product that you want. You know, you probably, like I said, you probably promoting the product, but we're gonna get in this example, we're gonna use flat belly fix. And so you want to get your link, and once you get your link, you'll want to copy this, and then we're gonna take it to a link shortener, because you don't want to put this link on this website that I'm gonna show you guys. So you don't want to put that link. You want to go here to bit.ly or something like this, and then you want to put like a link right here. It just make it look better. It don't look spammy or nothing like that, because this is the regular link, and then this is the short link. So you get what I'm saying. You want to make it a shortener. But what we want to do, we want to go to Google, and I got this pulled up, and you want to type in best weight loss blogs. So it can be whatever niche that you in. It could be best make money online blogs, best relationship blogs, best dating blogs, whatever it is that you want to do, whatever niche that you're in. But for this example, we're gonna do best weight loss blogs. So as you can see, 2019 top weight loss blogs. These blogs are getting thousands and thousands of views every single month, like 300,000, 1 million views every single month on these blogs. And what we want to do, we want to go there on the blogs and comment, and when we comment, it's gonna be there forever. That's the main method. That's the main reason we doing this, just because that blog, that comment is gonna be there forever, and it's gonna have that affiliate link in there, so you can be receiving sales all day, every day, just because people are actually going to these blogs in this targeted traffic. So if I'm going to best weight loss blogs or something like that, or just going on a weight loss blog, it's probably because I want to lose weight, or I have some type of interest in that. I'm just not going to that right now, you know, just because I'm not trying to lose weight. But it's a lot of people that is out here that's going to different websites and stuff like that to try to lose weight, and we're gonna catch those people on those websites. So let me just do an example for you guys right now. So you want to do this, and as you can see, it's bringing up like 50 blogs right here that you can actually go to. So if you come into all 50 of these, like, you'll be making sales every single day. And the thing of it is, when you go to these blogs, it's different. When you go to these websites, there's different blogs in there. So let's just go to this one right here. Eat, drink, and be skinny. So we're gonna go to this one. And as you guys can see right here, it got 1, 2, 3, 4 different, 5, 6, like different blogs on here that you can actually go to and comment on these. So just not 50, you can, on all 50 of those, you can comment on each one of those, you know, blogs that's in their website. So we're just gonna do this one just because I just want to use this as an example. Let's just go to read more, and you can actually see right here on the blogs, it's never a lot of comments. it's so many people that come to the website, but they never leave comments on blogs. And so that's why we want to take advantage of this whole method anyway, just because we'll be able to leave the comments on there and everybody will be able to see it. But the way we leave a comment on there, that's going to be the key to this, just because we want other people to click that link also. So eat, drink, and be skinny. So we're just going to go down, and people will come on here and they'll read this all the way through, and then they'll want to go to the comments just to see what other people think about it. Okay, I love this article. Let me see, you know, if somebody else love it, or see what somebody else has to say about it. And so they'll read all of this, and then it's a few comments on here already, and we'll want to kind of go off that anyway. So they'll read all of this right here, and then when they get down here to the comment section, it's only 2 comments. You have a real talent for taking pictures, and the scenery looks beautiful. I really like your choice of food. So obviously this is about taking pictures, different sceneries, and something about food. I love traveling, taking pictures like what you did. And so we want to kind of piggyback off of what they're saying. So I already got a script right here that we can actually do, and you guys can twist it up, you know, change it up for your niche or whatever product that you're doing. But we're going to pretty much kind of hype them up, say, hey, yeah, congratulations, this, and that. I really love this, and just do all that. And then at the end, we're going to kind of switch it up around, just so we can actually, you know, put that link in there. Because our main goal is to add that link in there, because that's what's going to make us money from this blog. And like I said, you're going to be able to do this on multiple ones. All you got to do is type out the comment, get your comment ready, and then you can go on different blogs, pretty much saying the same thing or something similar to it. If it's weight loss, you want to go on all weight loss blogs and say different things about what, pretty much saying the same thing but different blogs. And so now you got your link stamped on this website that's getting 100,000 views a month. You got your website on this one, so you pretty much can be looking at 1 million plus views every single month just by actually doing this method if you do it the right way. So what you want to do, I got a comment right here. So like I said, first you want to kind of hype them up, let them know, hey, you agree with them, you appreciate the article, you love their work, such, because you don't want them to try to delete your comment. You want to stay on here. So let's just go over the comment right quick. So you see, love this article. I learned so much, and I agree with whatever. So we can say in this situation, I agree with the choice of foods that you was getting, you know, taking or eating on this traveling trip or whatever. You can say something in the area of whatever the article is about. And then you see it says right here, you should post more. You should post more about this on your blog. So you kind of telling them, you know, you just giving them feedback. You should post more about this because I really like this type of content that you're giving. And then you see I say it right here, I have used many methods. Now this will start to change up for your affiliate link. So this is where you're going to actually make the money. I have used many methods that have helped me with my weight loss journey, but the most effective method was the flat belly fix. Now, that's my hook right there. That's my link. That's what I'm trying to sell. So you can say, like I said, you can change it for your niche or whatever. But for this one, the most effective method was the flat belly fix system. I was able to lose 7 pounds in a week. You can check it out here. And then, so pretty much what we're doing now, we pretty much telling whoever wrote the blog. So say if the lady who wrote the blog was Betty. If Betty wrote it, we telling Betty, hey Betty, I love this article. I agree with everything you were saying, such. I'm glad they help you out, but this will help me out. And then you're gonna kind of leave that link in there. And so once you leave that link, then you want other people, because you know other people gonna look at it. You want other people to say, okay, yeah, okay, if that worked for them, let me check it out too, because I'm trying to lose weight. So that's what you want. So then that's why you say this part right here. I suggest you watch the full video because it breaks down everything you need to know about losing weight or something like that, you know, in that area. But remember, you're talking to whoever wrote the blog. So you talking whoever wrote the article, and then you just know other people gonna watch it, and then so that's why you saying that part. But then you say thanks again for the content. You know, be blessed or something like that. Just say something else to kind of like throw it off, but then you want to make sure you got that link in there. What you want to do is you want to take this comment, you want to hook it up for your niche or whatever. You want to take that comment, and then you want to go to different ones on here that they have. You want to go to different articles on there that they got, and then you can go over here. Grace got healthy, goals of losing, skinny Meg. You want to go to runs for cookies. You want to go to different ones on here about weight loss. It could, if you got something about like a cookbook or something like that, meals and miles. These the meals that I normally this the book that I normally use to fix my meals that help me lose 14 pounds in the last week or so, or 2 weeks or something like that. You want to kind of make the comment around your product. So yeah, guys, that's the easiest method that I got, and I think that's the best way to do it. Just because it's free, like I said, and you're gonna be pretty much on these websites forever. So, and if you go and you see how much traffic these websites are generating, like that's like the best method ever, really. Just because, like I told you guys, people do not comment on these blog articles, but if you do it, you'll be way ahead of the game, especially if you go on all 50 of these, or if you go to another niche and go to all 50 of those. If you just do that on these different articles, you'll be able to start earning an income just from this free traffic that these websites are generating. So yeah, guys, if you like this, give it a thumbs up. If you got any questions, comment below.